Guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be continuing on with our SwiftUI tutorial series, and in this particular tutorial we are going to be taking a look at section in SwiftUI. Now, what is section? Well, section is a view in SwiftUI that allows you to split your forms and your lists into different sections. So, for example, let's say in a form you had information about a user, where you have a section for basic information, a section for biographical information, geographical information, stuff like that, right? Or in our devices example, you have different categories of devices or different kinds of devices. So right now our list of devices is just a constant one section list of devices where we have our phones, iPads, and Macs listed all, just going all the way down. All right. Well, we can change that by splitting these up into sections to make it a little bit more readable and navigable. So in Xcode, what we're going to do is in our content view, all right. All right, so in our content view, we're going to create two computed properties, or rather three computed properties. One to get one to filter out all the iPhone devices, one to filter out all the iPads, and then the third to filter out all the Mac devices. Each of these will return an array of device, and then we are going to use those to fill sections in our list. So first off, let's say var phones device, and we will just say we want to return constants dot devices dot filter and then here is we can then say $0 dot contains iPhone, like that. All right. Next is our iPads. So var tablets, again, array of device. Here we will return constants dot devices dot filter $0 dot name dot contains iPad. Dot name dot contains. Okay, there we go. I had to fix the phones because I realized I didn't do dot name after the $0 part. All right, then we'll say var computers. We'll say device, like that. and we'll say constant dot devices dot filter $0 dot name dot contains Mac, like that. All right, so now we have our 3 arrays that are filtered. Inside of our list, we need to change this up slightly. All right. All right, so we're going to get rid of that for each. And instead, we're going to create some sections. So a section can contain a kind of a header title, and it can also not contain one. We're going to have it contain one, and this is just going to be a simple string. So we'll say section iPhone, like that. And then here we'll say for each, we'll say phones, phone in, device cell, phone, like that. All right, that is our section for phones. Second, we're going to do our section for iPads. So section iPad for each tablets iPad in device cell iPad. And then finally, our section for Mac computers. So we'll say section Macs for each computers Mac in device cell Mac, like that. All right. So now we have our list of data that has that's split into sections. Let's go ahead and save this and run our code. And here we go. Now you can see our list is split into various sections. So we have iPhone, and then we have iPad, then we have Macs, and we have all of our Macs in that section. All right. So that pretty much does it for how we can use section in lists in SwiftUI. Thank you all so very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.